Hi everybody and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. The last thing is there is a thumbs up right underneath this video. If you're enjoying the content of a creator, please take a second to give that thumbs up. Supposedly it helps on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that thumbs up, and that's found right underneath the video. If you press it, the number will increase and the thumbs up will turn blue. All right, here we go. This I am like so excited to be able to share with you because it is still available, and I'm going to do my best to upload this like right away so that you guys can get your hands on it too. I was searching around in Ipsy in that area where it's called the shopper, and sometimes they have some mystery bags in there as well, and I don't always purchase the mystery bags simply because I get so much from Ipsy that I found when I was ordering the mystery bags, a lot of times I was getting items that I never received before. But this one was really unique. It was right after the Glamx came out. The bag that I'm talking about is the bag that was available in the Glamx. This is the Ipsy Mystery Bag, and this one is called the Limited Edition SWAK Mystery Bag. And this was a bag that was a choice item in the Glamx, and I didn't choose a bag because I wanted to choose a product. So when I saw that there was this bag filled with other goodies, I couldn't resist. And if you received the GLAM bag, this is the size of the one that we received, and I love it. I think it is so fantastic. The differences between this one is the size, and as you can see on the bottom here, they both have the same markings that are on the back. Kiss and makeup. No, this one says sealed with a kiss, and this one says kiss and makeup. But the difference is that this one has a wider bottom, so it is an actual bigger bag. I'm still happy that I chose a product over a bag because we get so many bags. But when this became an opportunity to get this bag filled with a bunch of goodies, I decided to go for it. It was also marked that this was $30. We got 5 full sizes. It says that the price of this would have been $136.99, and I paid $30 for it. So they simply wrote on here, and there was no information because this is a mystery bag. We didn't know what was going to be in the bag. I open up my bags always prior to sitting down here so that I can take them out of the boxes, take out any packaging, take a picture for Instagram, so that when I sit here, I can sit here and share with you and play with the products that we received. So what it simply said when I chose to get this for myself, it said, send yourself some love with a limited edition makeup bag filled with a mix of 5 full-size faves. The products in each mystery bag may vary. Mystery bags do not feature Glamx products, but it is the Glamx bag. It says you could score picks from brands like Tarte, Benefit, Thrive, Juice Beauty, and Violet Voss. To me, there is not a loser in the bunch of any of these brands, so I thought it really was not a large gamble. Then it said, when I went to check out, it said that I got over $200 in savings. So I didn't understand the $136.99, versus for $30 versus the over $200 in savings. So I guess it's based on which products are in the mystery bag, because as they mentioned, they all could be different. So let me show you what I got in mind, because to me, there is not a dud in this bag. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. The first item is from Benefit, is the Pore Professional Hydrating Primer. I have not tried the hydrating primer. I'm a big fan of their regular primers as well as their Pore Professional one that you use by dabbing it on solely on the areas where you have a pore issue. The hydrating one is one that I never had the opportunity to try, and I'm really excited to get this because I know these are around $30 on their own, on Benefit's website. So really excited to have the opportunity to try the hydrating one. That's a new product for me. The next item is one that I am enjoying so much, and I tell you guys about it all the time. It is from this brand called Beauty for Real. This is the one that's in the packaging here. It's still in the package. The one that I have, I pulled out from my stash. This is the most unique mascara wand that I have ever used, and there is something about it that gives you such length. I can't wait to show you this wand. I tell you guys all about it all the time. The bristles on it are so tiny. It almost looks like there's like no bristles on the wand, but they're there. And what this does, it's a little bit of a wet mascara. So I always recommend that you guys like put it on and then wait, because otherwise you're going to get transfer, because it is a wet mascara. But as this mascara gets a little older, the formula starts to dry down a little bit, and it's a little bit easier to use. But the amount of length that you get and the blackness of this mascara is such a treat. So if you guys end up with this and you go, oh, another black mascara, it is not. So hopefully if you get this bag, or you have this in your stash and you just haven't opened it because you have other mascaras opened, open it. This one was an absolute find. So happy that I have a replacement for it now. The next item, or we'll end up in that other area that I put aside for, you know. So this one here is the Thrive Causemetics. This is what this product looks like here. This is one that's called Brilliant Eye Brightener. It is a highlighter stick. This one is a duplicate item for me, so this will definitely go in that other area. And I'm going to show you the one from my stash. This one here says it is a Brilliant Eye Brightener, and it's in Stella. This one is in Auora, so it's completely different. So I'm going to have to double check before I start passing things along to see what the differences are. But I'm going to take it out so you guys can see. This is the one from my stash, and this is the color that is on here. This is fantastic to also put in your corners of your eye. If you don't want to put eyeshadow there, it helps brighten up that eye area. I'm going to just take out this one from the box. I didn't even do that to see what the difference of the color would be. And that's what the difference is here. So this is the one that we just received in Auora. I'm not going to swatch it, but this is the one that I just showed you here, and that is in Stella. And that's the one that we just swatched. So there is a big difference in the colors. So really excited that this is in the box, and Thrive is such a fantastic brand. All right, the next item is one that I'm also so happy that is in here. It is from Tarte. It is their High Performance Shape Tape Setting Powder. And this is what it looks like here. And also, if you ever see these on what's written here on the bottom of the box, don't pay it any mind. It says sample, not for sale. These are definitely not sample sizes. What I have learned is that because of the boxes, a lot of people were going into the retail stores with the product and getting the money for it or exchanging it for credit for the store. And then they found out when they started, and this, I think it was Sephora, that was the one that did an article on it, that they were finding that people were returning items that we were getting in our monthly boxes in retail, and they were selling the amount when they did their end of month. They had more refunds on a product than what they sold of the product. So now when things are coming in the boxes, they're starting to put this type of labeling on there so that you wouldn't be able to return it in the retail location. I still can't believe people did that, but you know, everyone does whatever. So this is what this product looks like here. It is so beautiful. The top here has a full mirror. It comes with one of those powder puffs with the Tarte name on it. And then underneath it has the loose powder. It is such beautiful packaging. Really excited to get that. And then the last item that I received is a new one to me. And I love that when in a mystery bag, I get something that I'm not familiar with. And I have so many new loves and finds through these mystery bags too. This is from a brand called Sonage. It says it's a high impact vitamin C serum. And they're saying it has a special delivery system that I think is supposed to penetrate your skin deeper. And it has mandarin, turmeric, and absorbic acid in it. And what's written on the side of the box here really intrigued me as well. It says it is French heritage, non-toxic, American-made beauty, cruelty-free, and it says spa grade. So if you see that there, so really intrigued about this. And then the other side simply says, beauty like food should be a healthy choice. And that's written by their CEO. And this is what's inside here. And I enjoy vitamin C so much in a serum. It was the first skincare ingredient that I really started to learn about and saw such a difference in my skin when I added vitamin C. You can get vitamin C in a lot of different potencies, as well as also in a powder form that you can add to serums and stuff like that. Usually it's in a darker bottle, simply because you don't want it to hit daylight or anything, but this is a frosted type of glass, so it protects it that way too. So really excited to get that. So this is the high impact vitamin C serum. I'll do a little show you to you here. So this, to me, vitamin C helps with discoloration. It helps with so many things. So even though it came out that milky formula, do you see that this is really very fluid? So you are going to be putting this on right away. This should be the first step so that this gets into your skin and gets into the deep, levels of your skin. So excited to have the opportunity to use this. There is a scent to it that is just almost like when you bite into a fresh tangerine. That's what this smells like. So excited to get that. So that's everything that I got in my limited edition SWAK mystery bag. You go into the shopper section at Ipsy, go down to where the mystery bags are. This I saw before I started filming is still available. I'm hoping by the time I post it will be. This is what the bag looks like. So we got the Professional Hydrating, we got a Thrive Eye Brightener, we got the Beauty for Real Mascara, which I cannot wait for you guys to leave in the comments down below if you've had the opportunity to try it as well. The Tarte Setting Powder, and this brand new vitamin C from this brand called Sonage that I cannot wait to add to my routine. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you get to spend with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, it is so important that we all continue to stay safe so that we can stay well and that we can enjoy. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.